Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable ClickUp automation rules for recurring tasks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable ClickUp automation rules for recurring tasks, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the space or folder where your recurring tasks are located. Once there, locate the task you want to modify. Click on the task to open the Task Details pane. In the Task Details pane, find the Automations tab usually located towards the top. Click on the Automations tab to view the current automation rules applied to the task. Review the list of automation rules affecting that task. Identify the rule you wish to disable. Hover over the rule you want to modify. Click on the three-dot menu next to the rule. Select the Disable option from the drop-down menu. This action will disable the selected automation rule for that task. If you need to disable multiple rules, repeat the process for each one. Once all desired rules are disabled, close the Task Details pane. To ensure the changes are applied, you may refresh the page. Confirm that the task no longer has the disabled automations active. Repeat this process for any other recurring tasks as needed. You have now successfully disabled ClickUp automation rules for recurring tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.